जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 61st श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, Atma Sakshatkaram is your goal. In order to attain your goal, your manas and your sensory organs, indriyas, should be cooperating with you. But all your indriyas and manas got so much addicted towards all the mundane pleasures, worldly pleasures. Now you have to show them something which is more interesting than all of that. I told you to divert your mind, your manas towards yourself, that is Atma. But you don't know much about Atma. That is why now I am giving you the best solution is divert all your mind and all your sensory organs towards me. Engage yourself in thinking about me, listening about me, singing about me, and listening to the stories about me. If you can engage all your sensory organs and manas in me, as I have such a wonderful divine qualities, and as I have so many interesting, miraculous, wonderful stories, the moment when you engage yourself, when you divert your sensory organs and manas towards me, I will immediately take the charge of it and I will start suppressing Rajogunam and Tamogunam in you and start improving, developing Sattvika Gunam in you. The moment Rajogunam is suppressed, Tamogunam is suppressed, your sensory organs will not be craving towards any more luxuries, any more mundane pleasures. They will calm down. They will start cooperating with manas. With that, manas will be stable. Then you will become sthita prajna and you will be able to have self-realization very easily. That is why you have to take my help. You have to engage yourself in me completely, in serving me, in thinking about me, in singing about me, in listening to the stories about me. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma recommending all of us to engage ourselves in Krishna Paramatma's service in each and every aspect and respect. Having Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts and while trying to practice Paramatma's teachings, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वसेहि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing your duties as my service, keep thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep remembering my teachings at least through one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings through at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi discoursing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshin Narendra, he arranged 3 padams back to Dharmadevata. He pacified Gomata, and then Parikshittu started ruling his kingdom, which is given to him by his grandfather Dharmaja. Pitamahena Upanyastam, he started ruling, making as Hastina as his capital and ruling the entire kingdom. O Maharshis, because of that Parikshin Narendra's power of ruling, now you are all able to, yuyam satraya dikshitaha, you are all now able to perform this satrayagam. O Maharshis, Parikshittu, when he was in the stomach of his mother, that time Aswathama shooted a Brahmastram. At the time of that Brahmastram started burning this child in that stomach, at that time Anugrahat Bhagavataha Krishnasya Adbhuta Karmanaha, because of Krishna Paramatma's miraculous power, this child did not get burnt even with that such a powerful weapon which is shooted by Aswathama. That is why now Parikshittu completely renunciated, completely engaged himself in thinking of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Bhagavad Arpita Asayaha. He engaged all his sensory organs in serving Sri Krishna Paramatma in each and every possible way. O Maharshis, Parikshittu, now he knows that Brahmana gave him a curse. Because of that, Takshaka, the serpent, is going to bite him and death is for sure. Even after knowing that death is very close and it is for sure, Parikshittu did not get scared. He gave up all his physical attachments, and Vyasakehi, he became disciple to Vyasa's son Sri Sukha Maharshi, and then he devoted himself to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then he went to Gangayam Swam Kalevaram. Parikshittu gave up his physical body in Ganga, the river. ఓ మహర్షులారా, స్యాత్ సంభ్రమః అంతకాలేపి స్మరతాం తత్పదాంబుజం. దోస్ హూ మెడిటేట్స్ అపాన్ పరమాత్మ, those who sings the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma, those who listens to the divine stories of Sri Krishna Paramatma, they would not get scared even at the time of death. That is what now Parikshittu also doing. Like this, Suta Maharshi telling the greatness of Parikshittu to Saunaka and other Maharshis. After that, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Naham Vande Tava Charanayoho Dvandvam అద్వంద్వహేతోః కుంభీపాకం గురుమపి హరే నారకం నాపనేతుం రమ్యా రామా మృదుతనులతా నందనేనాపి రంతుం భావే భావే హృదయభవనే భావయేయం భవంతం. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 61st శ్లోక. తాని సర్వాణి సంయమ్య యుక్త ఆసీత మత్పరః వశేహి యస్యేంద్రియాణి తస్య ప్రజ్ఞా ప్రతిష్ఠితా. తాని సర్వాణి సంయమ్య యుక్త ఆసీత మత్పరః వశేహి యస్యేంద్రియాణి తస్య ప్రజ్ఞా ప్రతిష్ఠితా. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.